Keeping you aware of our local animal shelters, we encourage pet fostering and/or adoption in our Four-Legged Friends features, which we've been doing for many decades now. Jill Dynes is here from King's Harvest Pet Rescue in Davenport today with a gal named Bella. And how many animals do you have right now, Jill? What, are you full?
We're getting there.
You're getting there.
Yes.
You guys do a nice fundraising job. So do you find that helps get animals adopted?
It does. It does help out quite a bit.
I'll bet it does. It's good to have you here today.
Thank you.
You're one of the caretakers at
Yes.
at the shelter.
Yep.
Let's meet Bella.
Sure.
She's just exploring a little bit. Hi, sweetheart. Hi.
So this is
yes.
Bella.
Oh, you're a sweet girl. Yes.
She's about a 2-year-old pitty mix. She came from transport from Oklahoma.
Oh,
so we pull
okay.
from shelters down there that are full and need somewhere to take their dogs. So we brought her off transport.
She's so cute. See, now I'm giving her attention, so she's very excited. Hi. Hi. It's hot in here, isn't it? I know. Yes, our air is still not fixed, guys, but that's okay. That's okay. So tell me, what do you know about her and how many animals have you been getting from Oklahoma?
We've pulled quite a few. I'm not sure exactly how many totals, but I know, we do like 1,400 adoptions a year, so I'm sure a good chunk of those come from down there.
Yeah, and how is it, what is that like for these animals to be transported from one place to another?
It takes a little bit out of them just because they're on a bus for, or a van for
It can be stressful.
a few hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, and they come in and we help them just decompress. It's best when we do it on the weekends because then they have some time to not be around people to just kind of get acclimated.
And Jill, give us the reason for that, for people who don't understand how and why you get animals from elsewhere.
So a lot of times they are set to be euthanized. She was one of them, and so if we didn't pull her, she wouldn't be here today. So that's
Look at
why
her.
we help out as much as we can.
Look how sweet she is, you
She's
guys.
very sweet.
She is a sweet, pretty girl. And where are you guys located?
We are located off of Central Park Avenue. I think 2504 is our address.
Do you have a kind of situation where people could walk in
Yep.
and just explore more about the animals?
Yes.
Does that happen a lot for you?
Oh yeah, people come in all the time. In order to visit with an animal, you'll have to have an application that's been approved, but you can always pick one up at the shelter.
Okay.
Come in and
Did
see
you
it.
do that online at all?
Yes, we
Okay.
do have it online, so you can go to our website on there. And
We're looking at some photos of some of your current animals, and the one a couple of pictures ago was on a couch. So is that a foster situation, or do you have couches?
No, well, we do have some couches in our meet and greet rooms, but
Okay.
we also do have fosters.
Okay.
That help out with that.
Yeah. How does that work out? I'm thinking that is a nice. That's a nice idea for some people to be able to do it that way rather than do the full adoption right away.
Right.
The
yeah.
fostering?
Yes. So we usually do fosters just for when we have pregnant cats that come in. We don't want them at the shelter with their kittens or any pregnant dogs. Or if we have any animals that are going through some medical treatments, while they're getting that medical treatment taken care of, we have them foster at that time.
Well, King's Harvest does a lot for humans as well. And I remember originally the pet rescue was kind of an offshoot, in that you would help the animals of people who were experiencing homelessness, so that you could take it. Now you've expanded beyond just that mission.
We
right?
have expanded past that, but we still do help out the homeless community with their pets, and we will take care of them also while they get back on their feet.
Yeah, you guys have done really well. I know you've got a couple of fundraisers coming up.
Yep.
If you happen to be watching on the re-air, I do want to talk about the one that's coming up this weekend, yes?
So we have one Saturday, May 21st. It is at Bierstube. They're partnering with us. They're going to do a trivia night. So if you want to come help us out, that would be great. You just contact Bierstube. It's $15 per person, or if you have a group of 8, it's $80 for the table.
Well, it's just that beer drinking time of year, right?
Yes,
And
exactly.
it's a good way to help out the pets of King's Harvest Pet Rescue on West Central Park Avenue in Davenport. There's all the info you need to meet up with Bella or one of the many other needy animals there who need loving homes. Thank you, Jill.
Yeah,
Good
thanks for
having
having
you here
us.
today. Thank you, Bella. You look very pretty, sweetheart.